Hi, I'm Robin Vogels. I'm the owner of Personnel Relocations and the co-author of the book, Your DIY Move Guide to Australia. I just wanted to jump online and tell you about an event I'm hosting on the 18th of December. It's for anybody who's moving to Australia with children and is navigating the school systems. So in Australia, we have a number of different options that are available, which can be quite difficult to find your way through. We have private schools, semi-private schools, government schools. We then within that structure have parallel education, co-education, all girls, all boys. There's so many different options. So if you are struggling to work your way through these options, as well as the process, what do I do first? Do I get the house first? Do I get the school first? What are my options? How do I find out what the school zones are? This will be a hands-on workshop where I'll explain everything to you, share the websites that I use when I'm shortlisting schools and suburbs for families. And I'd love you to join me. So the 18th of December, you can find out more on our social media pages or on our website. That's personnelrelocations.com.au or our Facebook and Instagram pages. Join me on the 18th of December. I'll see you then. Thank you.